Hi everyone, my name's Frank, and I'm the user advocate for Artsman, and welcome back to creating a coupon code. We've broken these videos down into the 3 different steps you'll take when building a coupon code. So if you want to focus on a specific section, open the video description below for a timeline of topics. In this quick start video, we'll be focusing on sales rules. Alright, let's get started. First, let's access sales rules by clicking on Setup, System Tables, Sales Rules. From the Sales Rule List window, let's click New to create a sales rule that takes advantage of the $5 discount promotion we previously built. Let's give the internal name for our sales rule $5 Discount Coupon Tuesday, and an external name of $5 Off Tuesday Special. The external name is what your patrons will see online in the shopping cart window. Same with the external sales notes. What you type here will be seen by your customers. For our example, let's say valid for Tuesday performances only. Internal sales notes are designed to distinguish the sales rule at a glance for your organization. Adding additional notes to this field will help staff to know why the sales rule was created in the first place and what it can be used for down the line. Once we have the notes complete, let's move over to the Promotions tab. The Promotions window will be blank for all new sales rules. If we were editing an existing rule, it would show up here. For our case, we'll click on the New button. And welcome to the Sales Rules Promotion Mapping window. This is where most of our work will take place. Before we go any further, let's take a look at the theory of what we're trying to accomplish. In general, sales rules are used to convert a price code and promotion combination into a different price code and promotion combination that results in an altered ticket price. Think of it like trying to find cheaper parking at a big event. You get in your car and move from lot A, regular price parking, to lot B, cheaper parking. It's up to our organization if special rules apply to that other parking lot. And in our example, our special rule is that if you buy a ticket for a Tuesday performance, you get $5 off if you use coupon code X at checkout. Alright, so let's click on the Sales Promotion Lookup button, which will open up the sales promotion list. Click on the magnifying glass to populate it, or if you know the promotion's name, or part of the name, you can search for it in the search bar. From the list, we select the regular promotion. Why regular? Well, every ticket in Theater Manager has a price code and a promotion. Before creating our conversion, we need to determine which price codes and promotions we're starting with. In our case, the regular promotion charges full price for each potential ticket in our 3-tier house, which has economy, standard, and premium seats to consider. Okay, let's move on to step 2 and select our $5 discount. Again, we use the Sales Promotion Lookup to find our $5 discount in the list and hit the Select button when done. This brings us back to the previous window where we can see our regular promotion in step 1 and our discount in step 2. Let's pause here for a second and point out the potential of the sales rule conversion feature. For example, we could offer a $5 discount to the premium seats, $4 to the standard seats, and $2 to the economy seats, all within the same sales rule using multiple conversions. To do this, we would target the price code within the conversion and in step 2 define a unique promotion. If you're interested in multiple conversion techniques, we'll go over an example in the coupon code tips and tricks video. Okay, back to our example. With those couple of steps completed inside the sales rule, we're ready to move on to designing the coupon and pre-access codes in our next video. And that's it for part 2. We hope you enjoyed this quick start video. From all of us here at Artsman, thanks for watching.